If you are working on SEO, growing a website, or managing an online business, you have probably heard about Semrush and Google Analytics. Both tools can help you understand your website better and grow your traffic, but they are very different tools. In this video, I will explain in a simple way what each tool does, how they are different, and how you can use them together for better results. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to pick the right tools without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links in the description to check out special offers or free plans for tools like SEMrush and Google Analytics. By using those links, any discounts or bonuses they will be applied automatically so you get the best value. Now let's start with Google Analytics first. Google Analytics is a free tool provided by Google that helps you see how people behave on your own website. It tracks details like how many people visit your pages, how long they stay, what devices they use, where they come from, and many more. This information is very useful because it shows real data from your visitors, which you can use to improve your content, user experience, and marketing. For example, with Google Analytics, you can see how many visitors your homepage get, how many people complete the purchase, how many people leave your page quickly, and the number of visitors from social media or search. This is known as site performance and user behavior tracking. Google Analytics even shows you real time traffic when people are on your site right now. Now let's talk about the SEMrush. SEMrush is not mainly an analytics tool, it is a SEO and marketing research tool that helps you understand your website's performance in search engine, plan your SEO strategy, and compare the website with competitors. SEMrush lets you do the advanced things like keyword research, where you find the best keywords people search for, see how competitive those keywords are, and plan your content around them. It also lets you audit your site for SEO issues. That check your backlink profile and see how your competitors are ranking online. One big difference between these two tools is that Google Analytics shows you what's happening on your site, while SEMrush shows you what's happening in the market and with the SEO overall. Google Analytics gives you real first party data, meaning data from your own site visitors, while SEMrush uses a large database to give you estimated traffic, keyword performance, and competitive insight from across the web. Because of this difference, the way they collect data is also different. Google Analytics collect the data using tracking code on your site, so it shows accurate numbers for your visitors and pages. SEMrush estimate the traffic using algorithms and large keyword databases, which means its numbers are not actual visitor counts but estimates that help you compare sites and see the growth trends. For example, SEMrush can tell you which keywords your competitors are ranking for, how many backlinks they have, and how their traffic has changed over time. Google Analytics cannot show you your competitors' data, it only shows the data for your own site. That is why SEO professionals often use the SEMrush to plan strategies but still rely on Google Analytics for real performance tracking. Another difference is pricing. Google Analytics is free for most of the users and you can set it up easily if you have a website. On the other hand, SEMrush is a paid tool with plans that give you access to the advanced SEO, keyword, and competitive data. Many beginners start with the Google Analytics and then they add the SEMrush when they need the deeper SEO insight. The two tools are also good together. If you connect Google Analytics and SEMrush, you can use real visitor data alongside the SEO performance insights. This helps you to make a smarter decision because you know both what is happening on your site and what your SEO strategy is performing. So, in short, Google Analytics is based for tracking your website, real users' behavior and performance, like visits, conversions, and engagement. SEMrush, on the other hand, it's based for SEO research, keyword planning, competitor analysis, and improving the search visibility. One is not truly better than the other one because they serve different purposes. But using both together give you a complete picture of your website success. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the difference between SEMrush and Google Analytics so you can choose the right tool for your SEO and analytics needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more tutorial and tool comparison like this. And don't forget to use the link from description. Any discount or free trial, they will be applied automatically when you use them. I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools to help you grow online faster and be succeed.